In 2025, four tech giants spent $300 billion on AI infrastructure. The industry borrowed $625 billion more. The question Wall Street is asking right now is simple. Is this a bubble or the foundation of a new golden age? Amazon, Alphabet, Meta, and Microsoft together spent close to $300 billion on capital expenditures in 2025. AI and data center-related debt issuance jumped from $166 billion in 2023 to $625 billion in 2025. 4 times in 2 years. The debt curve is faster than the revenue curve. Meta moved from a net cash position of $30 billion in 2023 to negative $7 billion today. Its $30 billion Hyperion data center is financed off the balance sheet through a special purpose vehicle managed by Blue Owl Capital. The data center isn't on Meta's books, it's funded through a separate vehicle. Oracle now carries over $100 billion in net debt. In the third quarter of 2025 alone, it burned $12 billion of cash. Its 5-year credit default swap spread tripled from 40 basis points in September to 140 in December. The stock has fallen 40% from its peak. SoftBank committed its first $10 billion to OpenAI's Stargate data center project election. The total target is $500 billion. That first slice is just 2% of the goal. $500 billion is bigger than the entire gross domestic product of most countries. The hardware demand is hitting the real economy. DRAM memory prices rose 172% year-over-year in the third quarter. United States electricity prices rose 40.6% over the last 5 years, verified directly from Federal Reserve data, Series APU 0000726110. Your electricity bill is paying for someone else's GPU. A research study from MIT found that 95% of business AI projects are currently unprofitable. If models stop improving, or if enterprise pilots fail to convert to revenue, this entire hardware build-out becomes stranded capacity. That is the bear case. But there is another side. 84% of developers already use AI tools, up from 76% a year ago. Half of professional developers open one every single day, according to the Stack Overflow 2025 developer survey. The infrastructure layer is real. The question is whether the application layer catches up before the debt comes due. This is not the first time. The British railway mania of the 1840s bankrupted speculators but left behind a continental rail network. The dot-com crash of 2000 wiped out half of the Nasdaq, but laid the fiber optic backbone of the modern internet. The hardware survives the crash. The question is who survives with it. Next episode, the quantum race and why governments are buying equity stakes in tech companies for the first time in 50 years. Subscribe M. Turkilmaz.